Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Ramsha Sultan and today I'm going to do the product review of the brand Inveda. Now Inveda is an amalgamation of two words, infusion and Ayurveda. Inveda is a brand that focuses on infusing the natural ingredients with the beauty secrets of Vedas. Inveda has recently launched 4 new facial kits and I would be reviewing them all for you. So this is the first part of the video in which I would be reviewing the Inveda Neem and Tulsi facial kit. This Neem and Tulsi facial kit claims to effectively remove pimples, acne and blackheads by reducing sebum and infection. This is a one-time use facial kit which is very good because it's teeny tiny to carry on anywhere. Also, the hygiene factor remains intact. This is a one-time use facial kit which is a very good option because it's teeny tiny to carry on anywhere. Also, the hygiene factor stays intact. This facial kit contains 1 sachets of cleanser, scrub, cream, pack and serum. This facial kit instantly brightens the face and also controls the oil on the face, so it's great for acne-prone and oily skin. This facial kit has neem leaf extracts which is an excellent remedy for acne. It also has tulsi extracts which reduce pimples, acne and blackheads. It also has acai oil which is a powerful antioxidant and other ingredients which heal damaged skin and reduces inflammation. If you are also looking forward to do a facial at home yourself, then this is a very good option because this facial kit is paraben free and all natural and it will give you glowing skin and heal your acne at the same time. This facial kit retails for 215 rupees each, and if you're looking forward to do a facial at home yourself, then it is a very good option because it is a paraben free and all natural facial kit which will heal your skin and reduce your acne at the same time. You can buy this facial kit from their website inveda.in or from all leading online stores. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for part 2, 3 and 4 to know about their other facial kits as well.